In primetime news this evening, cut off from the outside world, residents of Bangor Ridge, Portland, facing uncertainty as key roadway collapses.
Teen boys seen in video assaulting a schoolgirl charged.
And who will be the mayor? The question being asked after the Annan Town Division election win by the PNP. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And a special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Janella Precious. With a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, the cost of living continues to be a talking point, so we'll have the latest from the Bank of Jamaica about inflation. Plus, we'll also have an update on the reverse income tax credit. Those and more in the business day.
And Andrea has on yellow and I have on green because we're supporting Jamaica. I just saw her sigh over there, not St. Jago, but, great school as well. But Jamaica today, Jermaine Brown is here to explain why.
Thanks, Archie. Perfect segue.
And he's in green
the
too.
Spotlight is on the Sunshine Girls this evening. They're taking on England in the first of their two-match series at the National Arena. And we'll give you an update on that match a bit later on.
Excited about that. And Romain has a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. This week we are still expecting widespread shower and thunderstorm activity across eastern sections of the island. This is likely to continue into about Wednesday. There's some slight drying out thereafter, but we're still expecting isolated afternoon thunderstorms across the area.
I was just saying that it has been raining since about September.
And I'm over it.
There is the weather report and forecast in detail later on. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we are asking what stood out for you in the Prime Minister's presentation at the JLP conference on Sunday.
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.